Hey guys, welcome to the show. I've made a mess in my kitchen. There's water, there's dirt. This is a portable, that means battery operated, wet, dry, vacuum and blower, so it can inflate toys, it can pick up dirt. It's the dream come true. We're gonna be testing this guy out in this video. But first, let's open this guy up. Oh, it's big, but it's very, very light. It doesn't have a battery inside it at the moment. The battery slots in right there. Inside the container, it automatically has a filter. Now this is the dry filter. Filters out any small particles. I've got a lot of those. I'll show you in the kitchen very, very soon. And there's also a wet filter. And this bag over here. So when you want to clean up liquids, you take this off, you put the wet filter on. And when you want to clean up solids, you know what I'm talking about, you put the solid filter back on. Bit annoying that you have to switcheroo, but for the price, can I complain? You get a nice hose, you get different connectors. So this is, I guess, for, I don't really know too much about vacuuming, but I'm guessing this one's for the inflator. And this is like vacuum pieces. Basically surprising my wife that I'm going to be cleaning up messes. And this is the bag. Now, I guess it can pretty much run without a bag because it will just collect the dust in there. And it's got two holes here. One side says blower and inflator, and the other one says vacuum and deflator. So I'm going to go ahead and start up the vac and see if it'll collect some of the dirt that's over in the kitchen. All right, so this is the wall site I'm working with. I'm currently just getting rid of the grout or the thin set underneath tiles, which I've removed using an angle grinder here, and it creates a heck of a lot of dust. And my wife hasn't seen this mess, so I'm going to see if I can sweep it up before she comes, and hopefully she won't notice. It is actually sucking up some of these tiles, so that's pretty cool. I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe I wasn't expecting it to work, but for this application, just picking up all that raw dust, it worked really well. It was nice, it was powerful enough for me. Yeah, with all that dust, all that grime, all that grime was just being picked up, no problem. I guess I was expecting it to not be that powerful, or not powerful for this sort of stuff, because it is running off just an 18-volt battery. That's crazy. It's crazy that it works. Other good thing is the noise levels, very, very quiet. The hose isn't that long, but it's very light. So it wasn't that bad just walking around with it. This could make an actual awesome car cleaning vacuum, because it's more powerful than maybe the small little dirt devils, and it seems to be doing some good job. So vacuuming, I'm going to give it a thumbs up for me. I can get this job done, and yeah, pretty happy that I'm getting rid of all these grime. Look at that. Picks it up, no problem, so I'm happy with that. Now let's see how it does as an inflator. If I was to try to fill this gigantic behemoth up, it would take me a lifetime. So we're gonna see how good the inflation capabilities of this beast is. Shove it in the hole. And then you need to swap over from the back side to the inflator port. And then just turn it on. Seems to work. Let's play. All right, so that was a quick review of the Ozito. This is the inflator, deflator, 18 volts. Seems to work all right. Inflated stuff, pick stuff up, vacuum stuff. The bag, the dust, it's working. There is a few gremlins outside. I guess you can just wash that off with water. If you guys found this video useful, enjoyed the show.